Hola. So the next thing we planted was on the 17th, basil, broccoli, and tomato. And we tried something new. We didn't really plant the seeds. Mom just sprinkled them on the top. And for the broccoli and the tomato, she used natural coffee filters and just wetted them down. And you could see the broccoli is doing really well. It came up just in a couple of days. And then we just recently got the tomatoes yesterday, maybe. And basil, looks like right here, there might be our first basil. So same thing, we increased the time that the lights were on, and we increased the watering. And until we got all those seeds really high, we kept these little covers on the tomatoes and the broccoli. So we're plugging right along. Okay, bye.